Hey everyone from around the world, what's going on? It's me, Jeremy Alexander Newsome, with your IR4 coin market update. This one we present for free for the entire world. We got ourselves Bitcoin on the screen and we are in a nice pennant pattern. And honestly, we've been in this one for a bit now. Most of August, we've been in this bad boy and we're just kind of hanging out, chopping sideways, and I'm pumped for breaking any direction. Really totally okay with either one. The cool news is if you come down here to a 4-hour time frame, we are smack dab fighting that 100 simple on a 4-hour. Now the cool part is if you come back over here, what happened last time we were fighting that, when we had this really good reversal pattern, this double bottom, hit the 100, trade sideways, got a really good breakout, which was good for some money, retested, and then continued. So the question is, could we do something similar on Bitcoin where we actually break out of here, trade up into this level, right? Chop around some, trade back down, and bounce? The answer is absolutely. Pattern kind of a little inverted head and shoulders-ish type of situation. Going to be a little on the interesting side to see how that plays out. But for the most part, the support on Bitcoin, believe it or not, is still holding strong. As the granddaddy of them all, this one will weather the storm that's happening right now in the cryptoverse. And if I just hide all the lines for a moment, this accumulation is healthy. It's needed. I'm glad it's happening. And you still have this almost perfect tweezer bottom right here, which we haven't broken below. So yeah, people still like it at 6. They're still accumulating. The volume is still coming in. And you certainly have opportunities to take it short or long. You can actively trade it in any direction. Plenty of time, plenty of opportunities to learn how to make money in this coin and direction and update and commodity and currency, whatever you want to call it. All kinds of opportunities lie ahead of you on Bitcoin. Here are some of the other ones. Ethereum, ETH, USD up a little bit. Going to be very concerned if and when we take out the low of last week. That's going to be a killer. I don't know if that's going to happen. Not saying it is, but if it does, which I think it does, it's going to just slowly keep sinking for a little bit longer. You did get a little bit of a bullish candle today, but the trend still looks weak to me. At least on Ethereum, we broke our major price back here with this perfect hammer candle on the 3rd of August. Phenomenal pennant, and we broke down. Again, still opportunities to short, right? You can still short these coins to make money that way. But as it stands, here's the weekly. And yep, as long as we don't take out the low of this candle, we'll survive a little bit longer. But if and when we do, which I think we will at some level, how low does Ethereum go? I do not know. I really don't. I have no idea. What, back to 11 bucks, 10 bucks? No clue. Truly. I mean, maybe it trades down to 160, which be getting just halved again. It broke to 100 on a weekly, so not a lot of strength there. Very similar to Litecoin, LTC USD, also took out the 100 on a weekly. And again, not the best sign in the world. You do have an inside week like Bitcoin, which is a good thing, showing that it could pop in any direction. I do kind of like the bulls that are coming in today. Just simply saying, as I mentioned numerous times before in previous videos, this is a strong pivot. And as I mentioned in previous videos, as long as this pivot doesn't fail, which to date they have, then maybe we start getting a little bit of a bounce. But it's really hard to call the bottom on any type of move or any type of trend. Interesting. This is at 56. So yeah, accumulation will start to begin at some point. We're going to hang around. Any kind of accumulation period will last a while, and you'll still get some semblance of these wave structures like this, as I've been mentioning over the last few reviews. So yeah, I like the 200. This is on the Bitfinex exchange. I like the 200 on a weekly. It is at 38.14. Could it get that low? Answer is absolutely, especially if it starts taking out the low of today, and most majestically if it starts taking out the low of August 14th. And as a refresher, I mean, Stellar Lumen, still kind of your stronger coin, slowly creeping its way up on the coin market, coin desk. And here's your support. Inside candle, inside week, another inside week. Watching this one real closely to see if she'll break out in one direction or another. This could be a really fun bullish breakout if it does occur, but most likely going to keep grinding sideways. And the rest, they all look pretty much the same. If you're looking at the EOS, the IOTA, So here's EOS dollar again on Bitfinex and trading sideways, but still relatively stronger compared to Ethereum and Litecoin because it's trading back into these major supports. Same support that was in April and possibly did bounce there. For again, a phenomenal move. Could happen again. We'll just have to see. Here's IOTA. Haven't looked at this one in a while on Bitfinex. And this one with Ripple and the rest have really traded down lower. You got a nice little doji candle here so far in inside week. So we're going to trade back down to pretty much where it's a penny stock. Potentially. Very possible. It will happen if it takes out the low. I mean, that's most cryptocurrencies. We're going to continue to see blood in the streets if we take out the August 14th level. Otherwise, I like this coiling effect. I'm excited to see a bull thrust come in, even if it will be potentially a short-lived one. Us as quick, fast movers, flexible traders have the opportunity and the liberty to snag some gainages as that likely occurs. Anyway, that's just our update. If you have any questions or comments, throw them in the comment section below. If you have any requests for next week's review, put it in there. Happy to look at anything else that you all want to check out. Thanks so much for being a part of the IR4 podcast. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for following. Thanks for listening. Great interview coming up for you this week. You all rock. And until next time, love life, live life, trade it. Bye.